Hey guys, today we are showing you the PD charger 20 watt Raycon. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you what you get. They provide you with a little manual, and here it is. So this is a side mount, and this is a Type-C charger. So you plug this into the wall, and then you can plug your phone into it and charge your phone right away. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. Alright, plug this in just like that, and now let's charge our phone. Take your Type-C cable, plug it in, and take the other end, plug it in your phone. And just like that, it works great. You can also charge other devices that are Type-C as well. I'm very happy. It's nice that it's a side mount. That way you can set up it better, and plus if you have this mounted somewhere else, you know, sometimes the ones that are straight out, it's just too much of a hassle. Overall, works great.